Hey guys, welcome to Waffle. Anyways, today we're doing Foster Farms mini corn dogs.
Yeah, Foster Farms mini corn dogs. Into the Waffleverse.
Never forget the pan.
Oh, okay, you can.
I'm strong believer in the fork. We're gonna move with the lean technique. Oh my god, I'm a genius. So you can see this little hot dog just smashed in, looks like strawberry jam. So, and you can actually put them together like a puzzle piece. Boom, one full waffle. All right, mini corn dog waffles going in. I think it's a 7.5 out of 10. Definitely edible. This is definitely something you make for like a kid or something.